Looking for an easy way to memorize capitals? Hey, quiz friends! Here's a great little trick you can use to memorize anything. Whether it's for the next quiz night or studying for your next school exam. Learn how to combine association with the powerful mind palace technique. One is to create associations between the country and its capital. In this particular example, we have a jar of jam for Jamaica and a king to symbolize its capital, Kingston. Let's take another example, the Eiffel Tower for Paris and a baguette for France. Now imagine the Eiffel Tower made of baguettes. Use funny, exaggerated, or vivid images to make it stick. The crazier the image, the better your brain will remember it. Point 2 is to create a mind palace by organizing the capitals in familiar places. The mind palace is like creating an organized mental map using a place you know well. Choose a location you know inside out, like your home, your garden, or your way to work. Assign specific spots in that place to store the countries. In this particular example, your home, 1, your front door, 2, your couch, 3, your kitchen counter, 4, your desk. Place your silly mental images in those spots. 1. Picture a king with a jar of jam for Jamaica at your front door. 2. See the Eiffel Tower made of baguettes for France in your couch. And so on with other associations for the capitals you have come up with. All you have to do now to memorize the capitals is to mentally walk through your mind palace and retrieve the images over and over again until it sticks. Walk through your house in your imagination to see the pictures and remember the capitals. That's it. Happy learning and good luck! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quiz fun, along with memorization tips and tricks.